The RTL9072D is Realtek integrated Ethernet switch, designed as the communication hub for the next generation AI robots. As AI machines begin to work closely with humans, they require not only high performance, but also safety, security, and reliability. The RTL9072D redefines the standard for human-robot collaboration. The RTL9072D was built to fully unleash AI computing performance. It supports up to 4 10-gigabit Ethernet ports, delivering a total switching bandwidth of more than 50 gigabit per second. This enables 4 high-performance AI SoCs to operate simultaneously with low latency and high reliability. The RTL9072D connects the robot's brain, body, and limbs, ensuring fast two-way data flow to complete the critical data loop of perceptions, decisions, and action. Safety comes first. The RTL9072D is the only integrated Ethernet switch in the industry, designed and certified to ISO 26262 ASIL-D, which is the highest level of functional safety. This ensures that even one AI SoC fails, the other SoCs can immediately take over, maintaining uninterrupted control and preventing dangerous runaway behavior. The RTL9072D also integrates MACsec cybersecurity, providing hardware-level encryption to protect critical communication data from malicious attacks. Together, functional safety and cybersecurity creates a dual-layer protection shield for AI robots working alongside humans. Advanced robots demand extreme integration. The RTL9072D uniquely integrates up to 6 times 100,000 base T1 PHYs. Using single-pair Ethernet technology, this reduces PCB footprint by up to 75% and cable weight by 30%, allowing networking to pass easily through compact robot joints and structures. It is ideal for humanoid robots, drones, and mobile AI systems where space and weight are critical. The RTL9072D is designed for efficiency. With support for energy-efficient Ethernet, power consumption can be reduced by 50% per port, significantly extending battery lives. It also supports power over data line, or so-called PoDL, delivering power and data through a single cable, eliminating complex power wiring. The RTL9072D is already market-proven. It has been already selected by global AI leaders as a key component in next-generation humanoid robots and intelligent mobility ecosystems. As the backbone of zonal architecture, the RTL9072D connects central controllers, zonal ECUs, and edge sensors, unblocking massive scalability for the future. The RTL9072D, combining AI performance, automotive-grade safety, and extreme integration, powering the future of safe, trusted, and intelligent AI robots.